Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're in the community of Fullbrook on Fulshire Creek, which is located in Fulshire, Texas. It's about 45 minutes from downtown Houston. Now this home that we're reviewing is built by Perry Homes and is called the 3478. The 3478 is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, and it is built on the largest lots in this community, 80-foot lots. Now, the square footage of this home is going to be the same as the model number, which is 3478. The price, you may ask, there is no price for this particular home at this current moment for the simple fact that they are no longer building on 80-foot lots because they don't have any right now. But once they do receive some more 80-foot lots, they're going to be able to start building these homes. So if you are interested in this home, you just have to keep in touch with me and I'll be able to let you know when they start building the homes. I did speak to the sales rep just to gauge exactly what the price point was before they stopped building, and she said that it was around the $670,000 range. Now, to give you an example on how the prices in Houston fluctuate depending on where you are, this exact floor plan was being built in Cane Island, which is in Katy, Texas, for close to $900,000. So that is a big jump in price, but it's also depending on where you want to stay in the Houston metropolitan area. If you are wondering what schools this home is zoned to, you will need to make sure you double check because this community is zoned to 2 different elementary schools. They are Huggins Elementary, Morgan Elementary, Roberts Middle School, and that is going to be for students in 6th grade only, Lehman Junior High School, and Fulshire High School. If you have any questions regarding this community, this builder, or any other real estate questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.